7 Morning Habits of Highly Motivated People. Highly motivated individuals often have specific morning habits that set the tone for a successful day ahead. These habits help them stay focused, energized, and driven to pursue their goals. In this video, we'll dive into the 7 key morning habits that highly motivated people consistently practice. 1. Early rising. One of the most common habits among highly motivated people is waking up early. They understand the value of extra time in the morning to plan, reflect, and prepare for the day ahead. 2. Goal setting. Before getting out of bed, motivated individuals take a moment to review their goals and priorities. This helps them maintain a clear sense of purpose and direction throughout the day. 3. Morning meditation or visualization. Meditation or visualization exercises can help calm the mind and boost motivation. Highly motivated individuals often incorporate these practices into their morning routine to set a positive mindset. 4. Physical activity. Many motivated people start their day with some form of physical activity, whether it's a brisk walk, yoga, or a full workout. Exercise not only energizes them but also releases endorphins, enhancing their mood and motivation. 5. Healthy breakfast. Nutrition plays a crucial role in maintaining high energy levels and mental clarity. Motivated individuals prioritize a nutritious breakfast to fuel their bodies and minds for the day ahead. 6. Reading or learning. Highly motivated people are avid learners. They often spend some time in the morning reading books, articles, or educational content related to their field of interest, ensuring continuous growth. 7. Morning routine rituals. Motivated individuals establish morning routines that include activities like journaling, affirmations, or gratitude practices. These rituals help them start the day with a positive mindset and a sense of gratitude. By adopting these 7 morning habits, you can increase your motivation, focus, and productivity, setting yourself on the path to success and achievement. Start incorporating these habits into your mornings, and watch how they transform your life. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.